Did you heard about loops before? A loop is a repeatable music or instrument piece which is created by someone else. Using loops and samples is a very famous method in music composing. Go to Media in the menu bar and select Media Bay. You can see a list of samples and loops in your computer there. Check this loop. You can even add your custom samples there by selecting the path at the left panel. I'm going to use this shaker loop. As you see, it's in 100 BPM. But our project is in a different BPM. Let's add the loop into the project by double-clicking on it and see how it fits with our project. Pick the copy file to project folder and sample rate in the convert to project settings area. These settings will match the sample rate of the loop with our project and copy the loop file into the audio folder in our project path. That's better for avoiding missing file errors in the future. Finally, click OK. We can see the loop is added to the project as a stereo audio track in the color of red. I'll play the project. As you hear, the added loop is faster and not synced with the project. That's because the loop is in 100 BPM and the project is in 90 BPM. To set this with our project, click and hold the sizing tool and select Sizing Applies Time Stretch Mode. Then drag the loop clip at the bottom right corner as we trimmed previously to the line of the beginning of the third bar. This will stretch the time of the clip. Since this is a loop, it's required to align the clip with the grid of the timeline. Therefore, I'm turning on the snap before stretching the clip. Let's play the clip to check. As you heard, the loop is perfectly synced with the project, but the level is high when it compared with the vocals. I'm reducing the levels here. I'm reducing the level of the piano pad too. Finally, I'm duplicating the shaker loop to keep it with the entire section with the shortcut Command or Control with D. Let's play again and hear what we've done with the loop and time stretching tool.